Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Twinkle Twinkle. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve up on the top left here. And then from the top, let's bring it over to the right and curve it down. Now top back over to the left and let's draw a curve out and curve it down for the cheek. And close off the bottom of the head with a curve across. Now we're going to hop in and draw the face. Let's start inside and let's draw an oval on the left for the first eye. And then the other eye next to it. Now inside each eye, let's add an oval on the right side. And then let's hop up near the top and let's draw a small curve for the eyebrows. Now let's move back down, and in between the eyes, let's add a small bump for the nose and a curve up to the right for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a large wavy line over to the right side. And then a long one down and bring it in. Now on the top right, let's add a star. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start next to the cheek on the left and let's draw a curve up. And bring it back down for the left arm. Now top over to the right side, and for the other arm, let's draw a curve out and back in. And a small bump underneath. Now we're going to hop up and let's draw a curve down for the side of the body. And then for the left side, let's curve it down and in. Now top to the center and let's draw a curve on an angle like this. Now let's add the feet at the bottom. In the center, let's draw a small line down and an angle out on each side. And then let's bring it in on each side. And that's it for Twinkle Twinkle. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.